Okay, so we are going to change the Sodalime on an exhausted Sodalime canister. Before we can prepare any of our equipment, we must make sure that we put our PPE on. So please make sure before you do replace exhausted Sodalime, you put gloves on, you wear a face mask and goggles. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to empty our Sodalime canister. So I have my exhausted Sodalime canister plus a garbage bag here. I would recommend that you complete this task in a well-ventilated room away from any of your colleagues. Now, this is a compact Sodalime canister, it only has about 6 hours of use. Yours might be a screw top. They have more like 10 hours of use, but the reason that we know that this Sodalime is exhausted is because we have used it for 6 hours already. So when you turn your Sodalime canister over, on the compact ones, there'll be this blue rubber stopper. This needs to be removed so that we can expose the Sodalime. Now, what I'm going to do is make a little space there that I can empty my Sodalime canister straight into the garbage bag. What I don't want to do is aerosolize all of that dust and particles that's combined in with the exhausted Sodalime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the Sodalime over and then I'm going to cover as much of it as I can while I empty out the Sodalime. So just to show you what I'm doing, I'm just gently shaking back and forward while I cover the Sodalime so that none of those particles end up in the environment. For the purpose of this video, I will keep it uncovered. Okay. Give that a good shake. Now, you can see there that I have emptied the Sodalime canister and I need to now refill it. So, I'm going to refill the canister via this hole here. First thing I'm going to do is push that Sodalime down to the bottom of the bag. Then I'm going to make myself a clear spot in the garbage bag to refill the canister. Now the reason I do it over a garbage bag is so that if Sodalime goes anywhere, it's collected within the garbage bag. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do this. You can pop a funnel on the inside of this hole here, and that means that you'll get less spillage either side. So I'm going to demonstrate that technique because it seems to be the safest for refilling and avoiding spillage. I've got my Sodalime here. This is a white to purple Sodalime. So as it exhausts, it turns purple and it starts off white. So, just going to hold on to my Sodalime canister, pour my Sodalime in, and then as we pour it in, just need to give that a little bit of a shake. Okay, so my Sodalime canister is full, so I can remove my funnel, place my lid back on my bottle of Sodalime, and we need to look at replacing the cap. So as you can see, the cap does have quite a bit of dust inside it, so it's a good idea just to give that a little bit of a clean. That can sometimes stop it from sealing properly if you have too much dust and residue in your cap. So once you've done that, you can push that back on. And you can see there, I've got quite evenly on both sides enough Sodalime to almost fill to the top. Okay, so with our cap now replaced, We have now completed the process of changing the Sodalime. We just need to label the canister so that we know, just pop a label on here with the date and initials of the person who changed the Sodalime so we know when it was done last. I have removed my mask. I'm going to put my mask and my gloves in this bag, and then we are going to put the waste from the Sodalime canister into medical waste. I'm going to tie a knot in the top of the bag, and then I'm going to put the canister back